Today, I'm unboxing LASFIT liners that are custom built for the Ram 1500. My fitting should be exact what this is, and we were just out recently, got into a bunch of mud, got mud all over the floor mats. I wish this product had come in before that night run. However, it's here now and winter's on its way, so I'm really excited to unbox this today and then do a little video on installing it, see how well they fit into the vehicle, and I'll share some of my first impressions of this floor mats as well. And I'm super excited to say this video is sponsored by LASFIT. They sent this out to me to give it a test, and I will give you honest feedback on how it is. So let's get to opening this. It's got a nice handle. Got a handle here. Just gonna cut off this. They were telling me something about this online. It's supposed to be a perfect fit. It's pet friendly, easy to remove the hair from it. Easy cleaning, which is what I am actually super excited about. Just pull it out, shoot it off with the pressure washer, and get right back in. Because the cloth ones I've found, they take a long time to dry, and it has a little bit of odor or dampness in the vehicle, which in the winter, not great. Oh, slip resistant, it's durable, and it's eco-friendly. I'm gonna link description down below of the eco-friendly stats they gave me. Let's get to open the rest of it. Let's see, easy. Okay, nice. Awesome. Alrighty. Oh, look at that. Okay, bonus. I don't like when things smell. These don't have a smell to it. There's a few rubber mats that I've used before that just had like this really strong odor. These gloves had an odor when I first used them, but now that I'm using them, they're fine. So for me, no odor is a huge bonus. Yeah, this looks pretty cool too. We'll do an install portion. I'll show you how to put these in. Installation instructions. What else do they have in here? Easy peasy, just instructions on how to get this little fold out of it. Just let it lay flat, and it'll reestablish its correct positioning. I am also filming in my garage. It is 0 Celsius right now. Maybe it's a little warmer in the garage right now because I don't see my breath yet. It's quite cold. Oh yeah, driver's side, right? No, is this passenger side? Passenger side, nice. Oh yeah, passenger side. Yeah, it's over here. I got a little, can't really see it. Yeah, little indicator down there telling you what side it's supposed to go on. Right on. That's bonus. Okay. And the big one for the back. Oh, okay. Nice. No smell, Looks like it's pretty durable, like it will be durable. I will do a long-term review to show how they stand up to the Manitoba winters, because there is a lot of salt they've put on our streets, and we get down to like -40 Celsius. So this should be a good test for this product. So what I'm gonna do is let this sit for a little bit, and then we're gonna install it in the vehicle. So let's put these aside, lay them down so they're nice and smooth and flat for when we put them in. Right, so now we're in the truck and we're going to install the floor mats. My suggestion is to take out all the floor mats at once. So take out your passenger, your driver, and your rear seat floor mats all at the same time, because step number 2 is to clean the carpets. So I'm going to take all the floor mats out, go grab the vacuum, clean out all the dirt that has gotten underneath the OG floor mats. Unhook those. Yeah. Oh yeah, see? Look at all that stuff. Passenger side also has 2 hooks. I'm gonna bring the seat back so I have more room. Nice. This side, not as bad. Rear seat. Yeah, that's a lot. I like to have the drill attachment on there. Just makes taking up all this stuff so much easier. Yeesh. The other thing I'm going to use today is a vacuum, but since I don't have a cable, I'm going to bring my EcoFlow, bring this into it as well, and use this to power the vacuum. Well, it's looking much cleaner. Much cleaner. That way it won't slip, because then it'll have just clean carpet without all the gravel underneath. Well, let's start with the rear seat first, since I have the driver and passenger seats moved up to the front. It'll be easy to get this floor mat in. Nice. Toss it in any which way first. There we go. Yeah, this side will go towards the back seat. This side will tuck under the seats between the rails. And we'll just slide this in. Oop. Move that up. Step in and then just pull it across. Oh, it's stuck in my center console. There we go. You know what? It's hard to do one hand. Let me put this down. Awesome. Nice. Sweet. Perfect fit. Look at that. I got a ball under here. What? Okay. Nice. Look at that. See? All fits nicely. Comes up here, so I'll get less dog hair on the carpet around there, so less cleaning when I pull these out, which is great. Awesome. Nice, and they come up to here. Still can get access underneath with an easy pull to whatever's in here. Oh, just jumper cables, electrical cable. Wicked. Moving on to the driver's seat, what I'm gonna do is push the seat all the way back, just for ease of use, and I'll go grab the liner. Let's grab the driver's seat one. Nice. Good. Dip the front in underneath your pedals, make sure they don't get stuck on top. Awesome. Next part, make sure that these are clicked in, right? Both sides. Right on. Give it a little push, make sure it's all there. Verify that these are not interacting with your pedals at all. That way it all sits nicely and you don't have any issue with braking or accelerating out of control. Nice. Yeah, okay. It's a little dirty because I've had them in the back of the truck for a little bit. Grabbing the passenger side one, basically the same idea. Oh yes, I need to move the seat back. Awesome. Awesome, there we go. Same thing, make sure it goes into your clips on both sides, that way they don't slip or move. Wicked. And installed. Look how fresh those look though. I know I was standing on it because I was testing them earlier. Your LASFIT liners are all installed. Enjoy. I will also do a long-term review of these floor mats, and I want to see how they last over the winter, because winter's coming soon and I'm really surprised that there's no snow yet and it's still decently warm out. But we'll do a long-term review in 6 months, 8 months. Nice, nice. Enjoy your liners. Oh yeah, and because this is a sponsored video, there's a link below. Please like and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel and pick yourself up some nice stuff, they have a bunch of stuff on their website. They got lights, they got liners, and it's custom fit, and it's a easy to navigate website. So check out the link below. Nice. Thank you. I'm Trevor, and I'm out. Bye.